So I wanted to come on here and basically just try a bunch of stuff. It's all going to be individually done, but I just wanted to come on here and put you on some new items, let you know if they're worth buying.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
So I'm going to be trying a whole bunch of stuff, letting you know whether or not you should buy it or not, and letting you know where you can purchase these items. So first off, we're going to try the mint Kit Kats. I got these at Walmart and I've been meaning to try them, and they look kind of good. And if you don't like mint and you're worried that it tastes like toothpaste, like, girl, you act like toothpaste is like a bad thing. Like, what? I never understand people like that. Like, y'all worried about the wrong things. Oh, and it also is dark chocolate. So it's mint plus dark chocolate, crispy wafers, and a mint cream. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. This tastes like something. It tastes like peppermint patties. It literally just tastes like a peppermint patty, but with more of a wafer crunch. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. I feel like if they would have put more, like, maybe like a sandwich, like the dark chocolate and then the mint in the middle, and then like the chocolate on top, that would have been fire. But I don't know. Would I recommend getting it? I mean, if you've never had a peppermint patty, yeah. But honestly, it just tastes like a peppermint patty. So, not much of a difference there. So, I would just stick to the regular ones. And then I have this bubble milk tea. I got this from Seafood City over there by Southland. So, if you want to buy something like that, this is how they are. Let's go ahead and try it. I don't know if this one comes with tapioca. Some of them do, some of them don't. But the one that I did taste that did have tapioca, the tapioca was not good. Like, it tasted like jelly. Interesting. It doesn't really taste like milk tea. Like, it tastes more of like a tea, like I don't know, it's kind of giving me soapy vibes. Contains milk powder. Maybe that's what I don't like. I can probably taste the milk powder. Am I gonna drink it? Yeah. I'd give this like a 3 out of 10. I wouldn't highly recommend it. It doesn't really, like, I don't know. It has like a different taste. Like, I think it's the milk powder that I'm tasting right now. But I don't know. It obviously doesn't taste like a traditional milk tea. But it's like, you know, maybe if they just like labeled it bubble tea, I would have been like, oh, okay. Because it's not giving me milk tea vibes. But it's pretty decent. It kind of, I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes like a certain tea. Maybe like a jasmine tea. I think it, or like a chamomile. Like one of those type of teas with milk in it, like milk powder. That's what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like the traditional milk tea. Yeah. So I would say no to that. The Kit Kats, if you don't really like peppermint patties, or if you like rather stick to a peppermint patty, I would rather just do that. For, you know, the Kit Kat, I would just stick to regular Kit Kats. So, yeah, I wouldn't buy it again. Those were 2 flops, so I'm very sorry. But next time I'm going to be trying these, which I'm excited for. I got mango cream soda. I got this one. It is strawberry flavor. The grape flavor, oh my god, that bitch is hidden. I don't even really like grape like that. And that shit do be hitting. These are basically the ones that have like the little thing on the top and you pop it open. So it looks kind of like that normally. But I'd rather just, you know, get like a full bottle, you know, drink more. Because I'd be doing one little gulp and I'm finished with that other thing. And then I also got watermelon soda. I got this one. This is how they normally come. This one is in Hawaiian blue flavor. Like, are you kidding me? Like, I'm so excited to try them. But you know, I obviously can't try them all at once. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like if you want to see that. You know, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, to subscribe, and to comment anything you would like to see.
Put up like, oh.
Baseline, grab our waistline, fuck it up, fuck it up.